Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you tips and tricks to help you excel in your studies. In today's video, we will discuss how to improve your focus while studying. As we all know, focusing on studies can be quite challenging, especially with all the distractions around us. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some useful tips that can help you improve your concentration and productivity. Eliminate distractions. One of the most important things you can do to improve your focus is to eliminate distractions. This means turning off your phone or putting it on silent mode, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and finding a quiet study space. It's also important to let your family and friends know that you are studying and should not be disturbed. Take breaks. Studying for long hours without taking breaks can actually hurt your concentration. Taking short breaks in between your study sessions can help you re-energize and refocus. Try taking a 10 to 15 minute break after every hour of studying. Create a study plan. Having a study plan can help you stay organized and focused. Set specific goals for each study session and create a schedule that works for you. This will help you stay on track and avoid wasting time. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for concentration and productivity. Make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to ensure that you are well rested and ready to focus on your studies. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause fatigue and hinder your concentration. Make sure you drink enough water throughout the day to keep yourself hydrated and alert. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a popular time management method that involves studying in 25-minute intervals followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times and then take a longer break. This technique can help you stay focused and increase productivity. Conclusion. Improving your focus while studying requires discipline and dedication, but it's definitely achievable. By eliminating distractions, taking breaks, creating a study plan, getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and using the Pomodoro technique, you can boost your concentration and productivity. We hope these tips were helpful. If you have any other tips, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more study tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.